Good morning, Marcos 3. Welcome to our maths lesson. Today we are going to learn about numbers and place value. Our learning goal is I can represent numbers using the place value chart up to 1 million. We are going to use the place value chart below to represent the following numbers. For example, the first number is 4,327,317. So we are going to use counters to represent these numbers. So the first one has already been represented. So when we look at this grid, the place value chart, it has how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It has 7 columns. So this is used to represent a number in millions. A million has 7 digits. Million has 7 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 digits. So from our right hand side, there are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, and millions. So the first number has already been represented. So in one's column, it's digit 7. So it's represented by 7 counters. 7 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In tens column, it's only 1. So it's represented by 1 counter. In hundreds column, it is digit 3. Digit 3 is represented by 3 counters. 1, 2, 3. And in thousands column, it's digit 7. Digit 7 has been represented by 7 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In 10,000 column, is digit 2. Digit 2 has been represented by 2 counters. 1, 2. And in 100,000 column, we have digit 3. Digit 3 has been represented by 3 counters. 1, 2, 3. And lastly, in millions column, there's digit 4. Digit 4 has been represented by 4 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's try to represent the second number. That's number 2. Number 2, it reads 1,823,643. So we are going to start representing this number from our right hand side. Is digit 3, which are ones. So ones, there are 3 counters. 3 counters, so put 1, 2, 3. In tens column is 4, so it has to be represented by 4 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have represented digit 4 in tens column. In hundreds column, there's digit 6. So we have to put 6 counters in the hundreds column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In thousands column, it is represented, it is digit 3, so we put 3 counters in thousands column. 1, 2, 3. In 10,000 column is digit 2. Digit 2, so it needs to be represented by 2 counters. 1, 2. In 100,000, it is digit 8. So we need to put 8 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And lastly, in millions column, it's only 1. Put 1. So by doing this, we'll have represented the number 1,823,643. Number 3 is 3,725,982. So start with the ones column. Yeah, this is digit 2. So we need to put 2 counters in the ones column. 1, 2. In tens column is digit 8. So we need to put 8 counters in the tens column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In hundreds column is digit 9, so we need to put 9 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In thousands column is digit 5, so we need to put 5 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 10,000 column is digit 2, so we need to put 2 counters to represent digit 2. 1, 2. In 100,000 column, there is digit 7, so we need to put 7 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And lastly, in millions column, we need to represent digit 3 by putting 3 counters. 1, 2, 2, 3. 3 counters. So we have represented the 3 numbers that I've written. We have represented 4,307,317, and number 2, 1,823,643, and lastly number 3, 3,725,000 982. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy this lesson. Welcome.